Hello, grade 3. Today we will continue our talking about the respiratory system, which is responsible of breathing or respiration. Breathing or respiration. As we said before, breathing includes two processes. Do you remember them? Yes. The first one is called inhalation, inhalation, and the second one is called exhalation. Exhalation. Do you remember what is the difference between inhalation and exhalation? Yes, exactly. We said that inhalation means when we take air which contains oxygen by our nose, and exhalation means when we get out air which contains carbon dioxide and water vapor by our mouth. Again, inhalation, we take oxygen by our nose. Exhalation, we get out carbon dioxide and water vapor by our mouth, exactly like this photo. Here in inhalation, she takes the oxygen by her nose, and here in exhalation, she gets out carbon dioxide and water vapor by her mouth. And now let's talk about very important muscle in our body. This muscle is called diaphragm. 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 And the G letter here is silent. Diaphragm. The diaphragm is so important in our body. Why? What is the job of diaphragm? Diaphragm helps us in breathing or respiration process. How? Here in this photo, we have the inhalation process and exhalation process. Here in inhalation, when we take oxygen, and here in exhalation, when we get out carbon dioxide and water vapor. Again, what is the job of diaphragm? In inhalation, the diaphragm moves down. Here, this is the diaphragm. The diaphragm moves down to increase the size of this part. Can you see this part? This part is called chest cavity. Chest cavity. When the diaphragm moves down, it increases the chest cavity to let the two lungs take a large amount of air. Okay? But here in exhalation, the diaphragm moves up. The diaphragm moves up, and the chest cavity gets back small again. So again, in inhalation, the diaphragm moves down to increase the chest cavity, and in exhalation, the diaphragm moves up and the chest cavity gets small again. And now let's enjoy watching this video together.
Do you want it to blue? Oh no, not that. Then you gotta breathe, cause breathing's where's that? Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a deep breath, you gotta breathe. Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a deep breath, you gotta breathe. Fresh air, you need some fresh air. Hailing in my mouth and my nose, right up my two nostrils, but where does it go? It can't hang around in my mouth by my tongue. It's gotta get down to my right and left lung. It passes your pharynx, then to your larynx, Don't as your voice box, don't scream at your parents. Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a deep breath, you gotta breathe. Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a deep breath, you gotta breathe. Fresh air, you need some fresh air. Down your lungs, but where is air going? It's into your windpipes for tracheal fluid. Few inches long with round tracheal rings, moving air in and out when you talk or you sing. Yeah, tracheal rings, like ladders have rungs. The trachea is guiding fresh air towards our lungs. Tracheal lungs. Now let's stay on top of this. Air's not for the esophagus. Now let's stay on top of this. Air's not for the esophagus. The trachea knows that's where air's gotta go. Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a deep breath, you gotta breathe, breathe, breathe. Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a deep breath, you gotta breathe, breathe, breathe. Fresh air, give me some fresh air. Trachea splits to a pair of bronchi. A left one and right one move air from the sky. The bronchi branches to small bronchioles. Bronchioles, 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 bronchioles. They're inside your lungs, it's where air's gotta go. Bronchioles divide into alveoli, where gases change gases with air from the sky. Alveoli, alveoli. The respiratory organs on which mammals rely to transfer the oxygen that's found in fresh air to nourish our bodies from toes to up here. Lungs are the ones, and they're moving in place, contracting, expanding to set breathing space. Controlled by the diaphragm, control with such ease. Our two human lungs are what let us all breathe. Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a deep breath, you gotta breathe, breathe, breathe. Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a breath, you gotta breathe, breathe, breathe. Fresh air, give me some fresh air. Oxygen in, CO2 out. Respiration is breathing, that's what it's about. Take care of your lungs, the song we should sing. And keep the air clean for each living thing. Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a deep breath, you gotta breathe, breathe, breathe. Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a deep breath, you gotta breathe, breathe, breathe. Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a deep breath, you gotta breathe, breathe, breathe. Respiration, you gotta breathe. Take a deep breath, you gotta breathe, breathe, breathe.
Thank you so much for watching and see you inshallah. Bye.